Coverage of CES is sponsored by us. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe for more coverage on CES 2026.
The final is great, and then open wings.
So a lot of us, at least for my project, I work alongside our IB to make sure that it looks
like the glass, real wood and all that stuff. Have you seen the wood? See the wood? You missed that, huh? Yeah. It didn't look like wood from far away, but I was like, oh.
That's because of the RGB.
And there's one right there too, and I think that's a fake one, and this is like the real wood. So.
Is a preview PC that is going to come shipped to the customer fully built with liquid cooling, and it's going to be at a very accessible price. So we are targeting a price premium of $200 US compared to an air-cooled or an AIO-cooled PC.
What kind of video card are you gonna have on this one?
On this one, it's a 5070.
5070, okay.
Yeah.
I like it. I have one similar to it. It's an Intel. I bought this separate from somebody else.
Yeah.
And I bought the pump.
Yeah.
But I don't have glass. It's all tubing.
Okay. Soft tubing. Right?
Yeah.
This is hard acrylic, hard line. Acrylic.
I cannot control the RGB lighting on the front.
Okay.
It just changes constantly. I hate that.
Yeah.
Is this RGB integrated with the controllers?
It's actually directly connected to the motherboard. So with RGB software like OpenRGB or Signal RGB, you can control the LEDs.
Now,